Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to BSS Online Education. I am Muhammad Imtiaz Ali, your physics teacher. Our today's topic is about magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Look at here about the magnetic materials. Substances that can be attracted by magnets and which can themselves be magnetized are called magnetic substances or ferromagnetic substances. Look at the examples. The most common examples are iron and steel. Cobalt and nickel also, they are called about magnetic materials because they are also attracted by magnets. Right now, let's see about the non-magnetic materials. Substances that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. For example, wood and paper. Lots of examples we have that are about non-magnetic materials like plastic, then cotton, then glass. So huge amount of substances we have which are non-magnetic materials because magnetic materials are very few, that are about iron, steel, nickel and cobalt, and rest of all the other materials that are called about non-magnetic materials because they are not attracted by magnets. Now let's see about the shapes of magnet. Magnets can be made in different shapes and sizes. What are they? Look at here. First one, this is about horseshoe magnet. This is also called about U-shaped magnet, then bar magnet, then ring magnet, and then this shape is about cylindrical magnet. So these are the most common shapes of magnet we are using in our regular life. Now let's see about the properties of a magnet. Look at here. They attract objects made of iron and steel. That means magnets always attract the materials which are made by iron and steel. So this picture is about this horseshoe magnet has attracted the materials which are made by iron and steel. So these pins or nails are made by, most of the time they are made by iron, sometimes it can be made by steel, so they can attract by magnet. Then when a magnet is suspended freely, it comes to rest in the north-south direction. So if we can suspend a magnet freely, that means if it can move freely, on that time the magnet always shows a particular direction, that is about north and south. So these are the two properties of magnet. Let's see about the other properties of magnet. The greater part of the magnetism in a magnet is concentrated at the two ends of the magnet, which are termed north pole and south pole respectively. So in a magnet we can see two poles that are about north pole and south pole, and north pole will be written as capital N and south pole written in the magnet as capital S. And then the last one is about like poles of a magnet repel while unlike poles attract. Look at here. Here north and south pole, these two poles are different poles. So when different poles or unlike poles will come to each other, they will attract, and like poles, that means when north and north pole will come closer, or south pole when they will come closer to each other, on that time they will repel, that means they will go away from each other, and unlike poles like north and south pole, when they will come closer to each other, they will attract or come closer to each other. So that's all for today. Thank you.